Hello everyone. Today I am going to start a new topic of third chapter, microbes used in the production of chemicals, organic acids, enzymes and other bioactive molecules. As we have learned in the last video, microbes are very useful in the production of the household products as well as it is very important for the production of some antibiotics. Microbes are also responsible for the production of some important chemicals: citric acid, acetic acid, butyric acid, lactic acid, ethanol. These chemicals are produced from the different type of microbes. Citric acid produced by the Aspergillus niger, acetic acid produced by the bacterium Acetobacter aceti, butyric acid produced from the bacterium Clostridium butylicum, lactic acid produced by the Lactobacillus, and ethanol produced from the yeast called Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Microbes play a very important role in production of some enzymes also. Lipases, pectinases and proteases, and streptokinase. Lipases are used in removing the oily stains. It means it is used in laundry. Pectinases and proteases, they are used in clarify the bottle juice. जो हम मार्केट से जूस लेते हैं वो ज़्यादा क्लियर होते हैं as compared to homemade juice. Streptokinase, it is an enzyme which is produced by the Streptococcus bacterium and it is used as a clot booster to remove the clots from the blood vessels. Microbes are also responsible for the production of special molecules, and that molecules are called the bioactive molecules. For example, cyclosporin A and statin. These are the bioactive molecules which are produced from the fungus. Cyclosporin A produced from the Trichoderma polysporum, statin produced from the Monascus purpurus. Cyclosporin A, it is used as an immunosuppressive agent and statin जो है वो यूज़ किया जाता है ब्लड में कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल को कम करने के लिए. This chart shows various type of organisms are responsible for the production of various type of products. For example, Propionibacterium sharmani, we have learned in the last video. It is responsible for the production of Swiss cheese. Lactic acid, it is produced from the Lactobacillus species and it is used for the production of cheese and yogurt and soya sauce. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is used for the production of alcohol, wine and beer. Clostridium butylicum, it is used in the production of acetone, which is used in nail polishes remover and rubbing alcohol. And finally, acetic acid, which is used as a best preservative as vinegar, and it is produced by the bacterium Escherichia coli and Acetobacter aceti. This slide is completely recapitulates of all the microbes which are produced different type of products, and these products are very beneficial to the human welfare. Thank you.